Hello, Chef Pierre. So this is just another reason why I keep my knives really sharp. Right here, check this out. Got this beautiful piece of sirloin. I'm going to slice it paper thin for you. So thin, you can almost see it fall apart. And that's what I'm looking for when I'm making a Philly cheesesteak or a Mongolian stir fry or something like that. These slices are like paper thin. They just pull right apart. Can you see that? Wow. So that's why the knives are sharp. So you can do this. You cannot do this with a dull knife. And your knives cannot be too sharp. There's a certain level you want to achieve. And you're going to achieve that when you have the good stuff. Not the crap you buy for almost nothing. And your mass merchants, they want to sell you all that stuff. You know who they are. The big A, the big W, all these places, the T place, yeah, all these places out there, they want to sell you the crap. And we're not going to offer that to you over here. So visit the sponsor. At the sponsor, they got all the good stuff, and then you can slice your meat like this. This was the last cut I did right here. Yeah. Okay, here we go real quick. The bread toasted perfectly. Sourdough. The plate. Just a touch of light mayonnaise. Caramelized onions. Paper thin sliced steak. Oh yeah, a little bit of mozzarella cheese going on there too. How's it look? Well, it's stacked, let me tell you. If you go to a restaurant and you get a sandwich like this, you know somebody. Okay? Sauteed portobellos. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got just a few more onions going on there. Top of that sandwich, there we go. Well, I better raise the camera so you can actually see what's happening here. That's a big sandwich, let me tell you. Big sandwich. So yeah, it's looking really good, and that's my Philly cheesesteak. A little tribute to Pennsylvania there, okay? So check it out, get cooking, visit your sponsor. Yeah, that's gonna be good. So thin, so good, so tender. Support your sponsor, visit the website right there. Have a great day, keep cooking.